Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are diving into regression modeling. So starting with model evaluation, I'll demonstrate how to estimate and evaluate a regression model using Python and R. So first topic was demonstrate estimate model evaluation before presentation about regression modeling. So in this First was regression modeling and estimation value. So introduction to regression. Regression is a statistical method used to model the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variable. So applications are predictive modeling, trend analysis, and forecasting. Next was demonstrate estimate value using Python. So this process involves evaluating the performance of regression model, typically using matrices that access how well the model fits the data. And common evaluation matrices for regression include mean square error, root mean squared error, R square, or mean absolute error. And next was demonstrate stepwise regression. So in stepwise regression, it is a method of selecting variables for inclusion in a regression model. It works by adding and removing predictors based on a specific criteria such as AIC or p-values. The main two types of regression, stepwise regression, forward selection or backward selection, and bidirectional elimination. Next was applications of stepwise regression. So feature selection, predictive modeling, improved interpretability are the applications of stepwise regression. And let's to understand more, demonstrate import performing model evaluation in Python typically involves using a combination of libraries and techniques to assess how well a model is performing in your data. So here we follow these steps to process include splitting the data into training and test sets, training a model, and using various evaluation matrices to access performance. We follow these steps. First was import required libraries, then load data, then split the data, then train a model, then make prediction, then evaluate the model. So starting with import required libraries. So data preparation and model training. So we start by generating synthetic data for simple linear regression model and split into training and testing set. Then we model training and evaluation. So after split into training and testing data, uh, the model we evaluated using matrices, uh, make predictions on the test set, then measure prediction error and R square error to check how well the model explain the variance, then visualize. So after making prediction, finally we visualize the model predictions compared to actual values. The red line represent the predicted trend, and then we get our output. So in this code, accuracy was 1.0000 and confusion matrix is this. Next topic was demonstrate stepwise regression. So in this uh, step stepwise regression, um, it is a method of selecting the most significant variables of a regression model. So its goal is to identify the most important predictors for predicting the dependent variable. So in this we need to follow some basic steps to install library. You need to following libraries for this task: Panda, data manipulation for, and NumPy for numerical computation, and stat models for regression modeling, sklearn for loading the dataset, and you can install these library using pip if you don't have. So import libraries and load dataset, then prepare the data. These are the initial steps we follow to make stepwise regression. So first and model training. So then we go with um, actual value in blue and regression line in red representing the model prediction.